Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert JPG to PDF in your laptop. So I have these 4 images right here and I'll show you how to convert them. If you have only one photo, you can just follow the same process. So in order to convert these images into PDF, we just need to select them, then hit right click. Here you will see the option print. Then here you will able to see this option. So if you click on this option, here you will see 2 photos on one page. If you want 4 photos on one page, you can just click here and many options are available there. You can just go and choose according to you. I want 1 photo on one page, so I'll just select this one. Then here if you click on options, go to printer properties. Here you have the option to change the orientation as well. Generally I prefer landscape in terms of pictures, but if you want to set it on portrait just like this, you can just do that as well. I want to set it on landscape. I'll select it, click on OK. Then here you will see this box, fit picture to frame. So I recommend you to just uncheck this box because they'll change the size of your picture as well as change the aspect ratio of your picture. So it's better to leave this box unchecked. Then make sure this printer option should be set on Microsoft Print to PDF. Then in paper size you can choose whichever you like. I'll generally go with later. Then here we have to click on now print. Now locate to the folder where you want to save this PDF file. I want to save it just right here, and you can just name this file. I'll name it PDF for JPG and just click on save here. Now here you can see the photos are converting into PDF, and yeah, there you go. Here we have the PDF which we have converted from photos. And yeah guys, that's how you can convert JPG to PDF in your laptop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.